Alright, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this new Rubik Speedcube, which just came out though. And so let me go and show you what the website, Rubik's website product page looks like, and show you all what they say about it, though, before I actually open up this 3x3 and show you all what it actually is. Okay, so here's the website, Rubik's website. Look at the Rubik's the newer 2020 Rubik's Speedcube, the Rubik's Magnetic Speedcube. This is what it shows. These are the pictures that it has. And yeah, okay. It said, take on world records and become the fastest speedcuber with the improved magnetic design. The cube now uses magnets to add stability and act as positioning system to help align the cube for next twist and less fiddly turn. The Speedcube features a stronger core and has a mechanism designed to make it faster, smoother, and more reliable than ever. It comes pre-lubed to help get faster time, and more can be added when needed. A professional Speedcuber with the look of the classic cube. Alright, that's cool. So, it also says this about, the cube can be solved 20 moves, but how fast can you do it? World record was set in 2018 of 3:47 seconds. To get fast speed, Speedcubers learn the sequence of moves to get the cube solved. Cube algorithm, when they see a configuration, they know which algorithm to use to solve the cube. Speedcubers also train their hands and move as fast as possible to see astonishing competition time and think fast and move. Improved design, now using magnet, blah 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 for stability. Speedcube features stronger core mechanism designed to make it faster, smoother, more reliable than ever. No more frustrating snags or popping core. Yeah. I've owned a ton of Rubik's brand 3x3 over the past 10 years, though. And the Rubik's brand 3x3 have been pretty much unpoppable. Well, they've always had a mechanism that had always been pop resistant, though, since they've been really tight, though, even if when breaking in makes it a looser feeling, though it's still tight enough that no pops would happen, though, unless you do some extreme modding and do some other stuff, though. But yeah, they've always been really strong anti-pop, though. The Speedcube comes pre-lubed to help get fast time, and more can be added when needed. The traditional stickers have been replaced with original and eco-friendly ABS material, which means no fading, no peeling, and most importantly, no cheating. Glossy tiles with good grip for the classic look. Yeah, that's cool. But they forgot about the disassembly cheating part, though. But yeah, there's that. And then here's the more photos of the cube, which is basically same photos as up here. And then it says engineered for speed, endless fun, fast speed, blah blah blah. It said you're a master at solving the cube, but can you beat the record of 3:47 seconds? Rubik's speed is lubricated to help you achieve faster times, and more can be added if needed. Blah blah blah. And some other stuff like that. Some stuff like that. Smoother play, sticker list, which is technically, yes, it is sticker list, but not in the traditional sense, like for say what you would find on like a sticker list GameCube or like a sticker list Cube or something like that, where each individual pieces are split into thirds or halves or whatever, so that there's each section of each piece is individually colored into new in its own piece. So no like black borders, white borders, whatnot. So it's, when you look at it from the outside, it's all one color per side, no, and stuff like that. But yeah, and yeah, so it's basically the saying, oh, it's new and good, and it's also saying luxury packaging, which as you see later in the video, it's nothing that really important. So other than it's just really like just making it look good. No. So yeah. And now on to the actual overview of first looks of the cube. Okay, so you've seen all that, what the Rubik's website product page tells you. It said it's like $20, magnetic, and a bunch of other stuff that, like about getting the world record, and some other claims about it, though. But the surprising thing is, they don't really talk much about the mechanism and like what's benefit of it is. So on this box, on the back it says, Rubik's Speedcube, engineered for speed. Do you want to achieve amazing solve time, or do you want to improve your solve speed? The Rubik's Speedcube is super fast with sleek looking and smooth touch. The Speedcube features an improved mechanism, making the puzzle solving faster, smoother, and more reliable. The Rubik's Speed Twist, in turn, at an accurate rate pace under your complete control. It is set up to be played right out of the box with its lubricated tracks and strong core. Result, a mind-blowing speed. Level up your solve. Rubik's Speed. Yeah. So, a lot of the information about it, the puzzle is on the back, and while the rest is just, plain, it says Rubik's Speed with the Rubik's Speedcube on it, and so it sort of resembles like the iPhone box, or something like that. No. So, yeah. How good is this? I don't know. But, if you can see right now on the screen, this is a video that Max Perk posted on Facebook the other day of him solving this cube and getting like a sub 5 solve on it. No, which is really impressive. No. So, to get the cube itself, anything else in the box other than the cube itself? No. No accessory, no actual instruction manual, or anything like that. And, I mean, okay. They probably expect you already know how to solve the cube. No. Now, improving your time, the claims of this improving your time may actually be good, though, because it's using a Speedcube mechanism, a really good mechanism that's much better than the Rubik's 2.0, but it's all, again, down to actually the method and how much algorithm you know, and just all that, and turning style. This does, the outside looks of it does have a resemblance of the GAN Rubik Speedcube. No. And these are gloss tiles instead of like matte plastic finish tiles on these. No, these are the ones that you would find on the Rubik's 2.0 3x3. Whoa! That is actually really good. That's actually really good. That blows my mind. Much better than this thing. No. Yeah, much better than this thing. No. And if you didn't know, earlier this year, like near the beginning of this year, GAN released a 2x2 and 3x3 that is basically a GAN like a pure GAN branded version of the Rubik Speedcube. So in that sense, GAN stopped the collaboration with Rubik. And yeah, when GAN and Rubik teamed up together in 2017 or something like that to make this Speedcube and the 2x2 one, I knew that it was not going to last for a long time. Though it's going to last for a while, but I didn't know how long, no. But after that, I think Rubik knew what they were doing and decided, you know what, get a new Speedcube based off the GAN one. And they also are currently working with GoCube to make the Rubik's Connect Cube, which is a smart cube, which I have on pre-order and coming like within the next 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, let's see this mechanism. Wait, what? Hold up. Take a look at the centers. In the core itself exactly. So the edges, well, in the corners actually, like this. Which they do have magnets in it. From what the website said. And if the magnet, I do feel, you know. And here's what the edges look like. Now, putting that to the GAN Speedcube, the GAN Rubik's one, which is non-magnetic though. So let's compare the corners. The corners look similar. The edges, you know, look similar. So yeah, that's actually a fantastic cube. This is actually a fantastic cube. No. So yeah, it's actually really good. So, and what it feels like using little magic, but just a little bit different. It's really hard to explain. close it is using little magic. No, and it has these tiles that you can, the center tile that you can remove in order to access the screen. No, and yeah, I like to pull it out. As you can see, when the center tile peg broke off, but yeah, that's not much of an issue. No. So, yeah. Corner cutting is like really good. And it feels like it's competitive, that it can compete against some of those modern day mid-range budget Speedcube, like the GAN OS, the GAN Rubik Speedcube, and some of those other mid-range cubes that are between $10 and $25, though, that are not those flagship cubes, but sub-flagship cubes. So, but this is actually really, really good. And one thing that I wish is that Rubik's, would actually sell this in retail stores alongside, the Rubik's 2.0 cube. Although, yes, Rubik's does sell a Speedcube pack out there, but that one is just pitiful. It's nothing compared to this. No.